I'm feeling confident that Nikki got them backed up against the wall. Now, this is the cool thing about this. So they could not respond to what we filed, what Henry filed. You can see right here. We filed a counterclaim for the illegal eviction. They left Rico out of it. It was the Rico foreclosure. They left Rico out of it. They didn't want to put Rico on nothing. That's all right, as long as okay. And so they couldn't respond. They didn't. This is what they responded with: the summons of service by the process server and the affidavit. That's all they could. That's all they. We filed a demand to dismiss, emergency motion filed. We filed a counterclaim for Rico, and they're whatever. They couldn't respond to it. So that's like a win. I mean, I never really thought about winning. I just like to beat them down, make them go sit the hell down. But you can see right now that lawsuit package stopped the eviction process after the sheriff's notice to quit and vacate the property. And this package works because we figured out that the real-time feedback, that the Rico shit was badass, and it forces the judge to recuse himself and send your stuff all over the place. And so we just started using that to, and I just figured we stall them, whatever, and just cut, because with the combination of Rico and cloud and the title strategy and additional notice of less pendants, we've been forcing them to tap out. They can't respond. See right there. This is the most important $300 investment you can. The Rico foreclosure defense lawsuit package. Stop the eviction with federal power and expose the fraud, freeze enforcement, seize assets, and take control of your property today. And the thumbnail for this shows the fire. That's what we were looking at a while ago. Now, the counterclaim strategy is what everybody should be using, even if you're not in my program. You counterclaim their ass. You add them as plaintiffs or as defendants to the counterclaim, depending on how you want to do it. And you stick it right in their face and jams them up because they can't respond. They're a party to the case or whatever. This Rico thing is fire out the gate, because they can't. And so here's what you get. You get your Rico counterclaim for illegal eviction. So if you're already in the eviction process, then you would start out the gate with your $200 million counterclaim for illegal eviction. And then you would file your real lawsuit for the eviction up here in federal court. And the notice of fraudulent conveyance is structured like a document they file in your case. It has the court heading, whatever, and then has notice. And that allows you to get right on the record in court your notice of fraudulent conveyance and your notice of less pendants. And that's pretty badass.